Hello viewers, welcome to Coding Maverick. You've just tuned into first video of our brand new series, Spring AI from Zero to Hero. Today we're moving beyond theory. We aren't just talking about AI, rather we will actually build the infrastructure to host it. Viewers, if you've ever felt like AI was a black box for Python developers only, this series is here to prove that as a Java developer, you have a massive advantage for developing apps with AI capabilities. Let's start the journey. Alright, viewers, look at the screen. Before we write a single line of Java code, we need a stable foundation. Imagine building a high-tech lab. You don't start by buying a robot. You start by setting up the power, the security, and the workbench. That's what today is about. So we are going to use extensions to give VS Code all that required for our project. So VS Code would be our workbench. But it's just a text editor. How does it become a lab for development of our AI-driven project in Java? So, viewers, we are going to use extensions to give VS Code all that required for our project. We're installing the extension pack for Java, and that's our electricity, and the Spring Boot extension pack would be our automated assembly line. Without these, we're just typing in a notepad. So viewers, extensions are in. Now, how do we actually start the project? We use the Spring Initializr using keys Ctrl+Shift+P. Then create a Maven project. Now choose Spring Boot version. We're building on Java 17. So viewers, after that, select the dependencies like Spring Web, then Lombok, then Google GenAI for using Gemini models. After that, create root folder for our project as spring_AI_demo. When we hit the generate into this folder button, Initializr start creating project inside it. Viewers, we can see the created project structure. The source folder with main and test packages. We can also see pom.xml, the fundamental configuration file for Maven-based Java and Spring projects. It acts as a blueprint that tells Maven how to manage the project's build process, dependencies, and structure in a standardized and reproducible way. Viewers, do not forget to confirm the availability of dependency named as java.springframework.ai. It integrates AI capabilities into Java Spring Boot applications. It allows developers to connect to AI model providers such as OpenAI, AWS, and Gemini. After that, go to application.properties file and set the API key over here. After that, go to Run and Debug button on left panel and click on Create launch.json file. Also select debugger as Java. Now inside the file, paste the Gemini API key. After that, select Spring AI demo main file. Press F5 to run the Java project. But viewers, we can see there is build error in the code. And that is Spring AI model configuration error. And it is just because the Google GenAI starter in Spring AI requires a Google Cloud Project ID to manage the connection. Despite the fact that we already using an API key. So, viewers, we will go to Google AI Studio and copy the Google Project ID and place it along with Gemini API key in launcher.json file. Now tell Spring to use that new variable. Update your application.properties file in source/main/resources. Viewers, you may also add chat options if you need them in future. Now again run the project by pressing F5 and you can see now the Java project has started successfully. Allow the access for JDK from Windows Firewall. Now inside the browser, run the localhost 8080 URL. So viewers, our Spring Boot application is officially live and connected to the Google GenAI ecosystem. The logs show Tomcat is running on port 8080, which means the main task is done. But you can see it has thrown mapping error and showed Whitelabel Error page. This is just because up till now we do not have any routing or landing page. So now go inside the resources/static package and create index.html file. Write some greeting text inside it like Spring AI server is ready. Also mention the port. Now again run the Java project. And viewers, you can see the project has landed on greeting page. And viewers, that's all for now. We've completed our task for today. We've officially laid the foundation for our very own AI-powered backend. Let's take a quick look at what we've accomplished in this first session. We started with a blank slate in VS Code, transformed it into a professional development environment with the right extensions, and used the Spring Initializr to build the body of our application. We even tackled the tricky part, securing our API keys and setting up our project ID so our app can talk to Google Gemini safely. So viewers, that's all for today. In next episode, we will start working on REST controllers. We will learn how to build endpoints, as your AI will usually interact with the world via JSON. So viewers, keep your Visual Studio Code open. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. And if you have liked this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel CodingMavrick.